Professional cleaners don't clean the way you think they do, and habit number 7 is borderline illegal in some households. Habit number 1, they clean the cleanest thing first. Professional cleaners don't start with the messiest area, they start where it already looks decent. This is not optimism, this is strategy. Cleaning something that's already semi clean gives instant progress, which tricks the brain into thinking, wow, we're crushing this. Motivation skyrockets, momentum builds. Suddenly, the terrifying kitchen feels emotionally survivable. This is not laziness, this is psychological warfare against dirt. Habit number 2, they work top to bottom like gravity personally insulted them. Professional cleaners never bounce around randomly. They go high to low every single time. Dust falls, crumbs fall, regret falls. Cleaning low first guarantees re-cleaning later, which professionals hate more than clients who say, oh, don't worry about that room, while absolutely worrying about that room. Gravity always wins, so they plan for it. Habit number 3, they let products sit and judge you silently. Professional cleaners apply cleaner and then wait. They do not scrub immediately like the rest of us panicking in front of soap. They let chemistry do the heavy lifting. While the product works, they mentally judge whoever caused the mess. Time is money. Scrubbing everything manually is for amateurs and gym memberships. Habit number 4, they clean in straight lines, not chaos spirals. Professional cleaners don't zigzag like caffeinated squirrels. They move in controlled, boring, highly effective patterns. This prevents missed spots and accidental re-dirtying. It also makes the job faster, which is why they're done in 2 hours and you're still just getting started after lunch. Habit number 5, they never clean an entire room at once. This one shocks people. Professionals break rooms into microzones. One counter, one surface, one task. Finish it completely, then move on. This avoids overwhelm and prevents the classic mistake of starting 47 things and finishing none. Your brain loves completion. They exploit that. Habit number 6, they clean with the lights turned on like an interrogation. Soft lighting is a lie. Dim lighting hides dirt and encourages delusion. Professional cleaners turn on every light possible because shame is an excellent motivator. Dirt cannot hide under full illumination. If the room feels uncomfortable, it's working. Habit number 7, they clean dry before they clean wet. This is the habit most people get wrong. Professionals remove dust, crumbs, and debris before adding any liquid. Water plus dirt equals paste. Paste equals regret. Dry first, wet second, always. Ignore this and you're basically marinating your mess. Habit number 8, they don't use special occasion supplies. Professional cleaners use the same reliable tools every day. No fancy once-a-year products. No saving this for later. Everything is in rotation. Tools that don't perform get fired immediately. Sentimental attachment to bad supplies is not a thing in professional cleaning. Habit number 9, they reset rooms instead of just cleaning them. Professionals don't just remove dirt, they restore order. Items go back where they belong, surfaces get cleared, visual clutter disappears. This makes rooms stay cleaner longer and makes clients think they hired a wizard. Cleaning without resetting is just delaying the next mess. Habit number 10, they stop before it's perfect on purpose. This sounds insane, but it's genius. Professional cleaners aim for professionally clean, not museum exhibit. Chasing perfection wastes time and energy. They know when to stop. This protects burnout, risks, and sanity. Perfection is the enemy of done, and professionals are paid for done. And here's the secret bonus habit nobody talks about. They clean like they're never coming back. No shortcuts. No, I'll get it next time. Every visit is treated like a final exam. That mindset changes everything. If this made you laugh, taught you something, or mildly exposed your cleaning habits, subscribe right now. New videos drop regularly, and your future self will thank you when your house looks suspiciously professional.